Blueberries have earned their reputation as one of the most powerful brain-supportive foods not through hype, but through decades of consistent research showing how their flavonoids interact with the aging brain. What makes blueberries so remarkable is the way their natural compounds seem to work on multiple levels at once, reducing oxidative stress, supporting communication between neurons, improving metabolic function in the brain, and even enhancing learning and memory in both older adults and younger individuals. They offer a nutritional strategy that is gentle, practical, and deeply rooted in biological science, which is why they stand out as a highly positive addition to long-term brain health. The star compounds in blueberries are anthocyanins, a subgroup of flavonoids responsible for the fruit's rich blue-purple color. These flavonoids don't just circulate in the body after consumption, they actually cross the blood-brain barrier, entering regions responsible for memory and decision-making. Once there, they act as potent antioxidants, neutralizing reactive oxygen species that accumulate with age and contribute to accelerated neural decline. Because the brain is especially vulnerable to oxidative stress, having highly active antioxidants like blueberry flavonoids provides a significant protective buffer. What makes this even more encouraging is that blueberry flavonoids do more than simply block damage. They help increase neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt, form new connections, and strengthen existing ones. Laboratory studies show that these compounds activate pathways associated with brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a molecule that supports the growth and survival of neurons. Higher BDNF levels are associated with better memory, faster learning, and slower cognitive aging. In other words, blueberries don't just preserve the brain, they help it function more like a younger, more adaptable version of itself. Human research provides some of the strongest evidence for these effects. Several randomized controlled trials have found that older adults who regularly consume blueberry juice or freeze-dried blueberry powder show measurable improvements in memory, executive function, and processing speed. Some studies even reveal increased brain activity in regions related to cognitive performance, as seen in neuroimaging scans. The effects appear after just a few months of consistent intake, suggesting that blueberries work through cumulative biological shifts rather than temporary boosts. These findings make blueberries one of the few foods that consistently demonstrate clinically relevant cognitive benefits. There is also evidence that blueberries reduce markers of neural inflammation, one of the major drivers of age-related cognitive decline. As inflammation accumulates in the brain, it disrupts cellular communication. Blueberry flavonoids help calm this inflammatory activity, restoring healthier signaling pathways and reducing the background noise that interferes with efficient thinking. This anti-inflammatory action complements the antioxidant protection, creating a layered defense against the gradual where that comes with aging. Perhaps the most uplifting aspect of blueberry research is how accessible and realistic the intervention is. The amounts used in studies are modest, often equivalent to 1 cup of fresh berries or a small serving of freeze-dried powder per day. This makes the benefit achievable for most people without the need for supplements or highly specialized diets. Blueberries fit naturally into many eating patterns, whether blended into smoothies, added to yogurt, or eaten fresh. The positivity surrounding blueberries is strengthened by their safety profile and the ease of incorporating them into daily life. Unlike more experimental anti-aging compounds, blueberries are a whole food with centuries of culinary tradition behind them. They carry virtually no risk and provide a broad spectrum of nutrients alongside their brain-supportive flavonoids. Their effects build gently over time, supporting not only cognitive resilience but also vascular health, metabolic regulation, and overall vitality, all of which further contribute to a younger biological profile. As research continues to expand, blueberries stand out as one of the most reliable natural tools for supporting long-term cognitive health. Their ability to enhance neural function, delay age-related decline, and bolster the brain's repair mechanisms paints an overwhelmingly positive picture. For anyone interested in preserving mental sharpness and promoting a more youthful brain, Blueberries offer a simple, enjoyable, and scientifically grounded strategy that aligns beautifully with a healthy, sustainable approach to aging.